According to MSP Insight, 81% of MSPs say they aren't getting paid on time, with invoices delayed by an average of 60 days. On top of that, small businesses report being owed more than $17,000 in unpaid invoices on average. If you've ever had an invoice go overdue and wondered, how much should I actually charge in late fees? You're not alone. Late payments put real pressure on cash flow. That's why many MSPs turn to late fees. The good news is that in most states, late fees for commercial invoices are legal. More than 30 states don't actually set a maximum commercial late fee, as long as it's reasonable and part of your agreement. But then you have states like New York, which caps interest at 16% annually, or Idaho, which requires a 10-day grace period before you can charge a late fee. Whatever policy you choose, you need to make sure that it's disclosed before work is performed. That means including it in your service agreement and making sure that your clients understand it before their invoice ever becomes overdue. Once you've confirmed your policy is legally enforceable, the next question becomes, what should your late fee policy actually look like? For most MSPs, somewhere between 1% and 2% strikes a good balance. It's meaningful enough to encourage on-time payment without creating unnecessary friction with good clients. But the percentage is only one part of the policy. You should also decide, when does the fee apply? Is there a grace period? Is it charged once or every 30 days until the invoice is paid? And will services ever be suspended for chronic non-payment? For accounts that continue to age, that's when conversations about payment plans, service suspension, or even collections can become appropriate. One overdue invoice isn't difficult to manage. 50 overdue invoices across dozens of clients is. Every account has its own payment history, previous conversations, promised payment dates, and exceptions. That's why many MSPs turn to tools to help them automatically follow up on overdue invoices. These tools, like FlexPoint, can send routine reminders, follow grace periods, and carry over late fees that follow the policy you've already established. AI tools, like our AR agents, can step in to autonomously monitor your accounts, flag what needs your attention, and handle follow-up automatically. If you've made it this far, here's the biggest takeaway. The amount you actually charge in your late fee is only a small part of the policy. The more important parts are when the fee applies, whether you offer a grace period, how you'll communicate it, and if you apply it consistently. If you get those 4 things right, you can avoid a lot of the awkward conversations that surround late fees. If you found this helpful, be sure to check out our other videos and guides covering everything from our AR agents to surcharging rules and faster payment strategies for MSPs.